Waters and Wade. The National Weather Service has issued tornado watch number 199, effective until 4 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Wednesday. This watch includes the following counties in Ohio: Indiana, Full, Stark, Waters and Wade. Remember that tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large and damaging winds. Close to the watch area.
What did I do with my spark?
We actually might see watch number 200.
Oh, it's right here.
Outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, tornado watch number 199 has been issued until 4 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Wednesday for the following counties in Ohio: Carroll, Columbiana, and Stark.
Huh. All right.
are word. Or at buyatoyota.com. Network. This is
Source. Impact. Expect damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Coshocton, Dresden, Fredericksburg, Warsaw, Collinsville, Oswego, New Beaufort, and Clipperdale. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. The tornado watch remains in effect until 4 p.m. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. Southwestern Harrison County in East Central Ohio, northern Guernsey County in East Central Ohio, southern Wisconsin County in East Central Ohio, northern Luxembourg County in East Central Ohio, The urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Harrison County in East Central Ohio, northern Guernsey County in East Central Ohio, southern Coshocton County in East Central Ohio, northern Muskingum County in East Central Ohio. The urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Harrison County and East Central Ohio, northern Guernsey County and the
the whole 7.
Salt Fork State Park. This includes Interstate 77 in Ohio between mile markers 51 and 72. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe. Small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 4 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for East Central Ohio. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: Tuscarawas, Ohio. Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Jefferson County in East Central Ohio, southern Columbiana County in East Central Ohio, northeastern Carroll County in East Central Ohio, western Beaver County in western Pennsylvania, and urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Jefferson County in East Central Ohio, southern Columbiana County in East Central Ohio, southern Columbiana County in East Central Ohio, northeastern Carroll County in East Central Ohio, western Beaver County in western Pennsylvania, Hancock County, Pennsylvania,
Hancock County in northern West Virginia, until 1:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:36 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Minerva, or near Carrollton, moving east. Augusta, Salineville, West Mayfield, and Newell. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 11 and 14. Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 11 and 14. Interstate 300, 76 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 26 and 43. For your protection, move to the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. NWS Pittsburgh. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio, Carroll, and Columbiana.
Oh, it's Columbiana.
Washington County in southwestern Pennsylvania, West Central Allegheny County in southwestern Pennsylvania, Brooke County in northern West Virginia, Hancock County in northern West Virginia, until 1:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Allegheny County in southwestern Pennsylvania, Brooke County in northern West Virginia, Hancock County in northern West Virginia, until 1:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:54 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Wellsville and New Cumberland around 1 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Toronto around 1:10 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Newell, Stratton, Sloven. It is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Wellsville and New Cumberland around 1 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Toronto around 1:10 a.m.
And now you can.
Fire, Frankfort Springs, New Manchester, Hammondsville, Hookstown, Tomlinson Run State Park, and Hanover Township. Hammondsville, Hookstown, Tomlinson Run State Park, and Hanover Township.
Southeastern Tuscarawas County in east central Ohio, Ohio County in northern West Virginia, Marshall County in northern West Virginia, Brooke County in northern West Virginia, until 2 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:07 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
The urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Harrison County in east central Ohio, Jefferson County in east central Ohio, northeastern Guernsey, and eastern Daylight Time. a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Freeport, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 50 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, law enforcement. Impact, expects damage to...
So... Yeah. Down. They
7 in Ohio between mile markers 42 and 44, near mile marker 48, and between mile markers 50 and 70. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 4 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for East Central Ohio and Northern West Virginia. Shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will be tree damage is likely. This dangerous some townships around 1:35 a.m. Cambridge, Hewley, Imperial, and Leakesville at 1:20 a.m. Donovan Township and Coriopolis around 1:45 a.m. Kennedy Township, Stowe Township, Avalon, Emsworth, and then Avon around 1:50 a.m. Pittsburgh, Ross Township, McCandless Township, Franklin Park, and Mickey's Rocks around 1:55 a.m. Ingram around 2 a.m. Other locations affected by this tornadic thunderstorm include Pittsburgh International Airport, Van Avon Heights, Hewley Heights, Collier Township, South Heights, Bell Acres, Glen Osborne, Hayesville, Hewley Hills, and Edgeworth. This storm has a history of producing a tornado. Take cover now. Move to a basement or better circular on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows.
Ah yes, gotta love the sound of Mnet.